you're looking for a great lawnmower, this is the right product for you. We decided to get a new lawnmower from Amazon, and we're really happy with this for a lot of reasons. This is a 3-in-1 lawnmower, so it's a mulcher, it shoots out the side, and also comes with this bag. So there are 3 different settings. It's got 144cc, and it's gas powered, so this is plenty powerful enough for any sized yard you might need. All of the handle bends in a great way, so you can really fit this in tight spaces if you've got to move it in a car or something like that. You snap these down, that folds, and then these two fold it in one more time, which is really nice. I've been mowing my yard, and so to get the bag out, you just simply lift this up, pull that out. It's got all the grass right in there, so you can keep your yard fresh. You bring it around to your waste bag and dump it. And this gets leaves, it gets all of the grass, all compactly right there. You do have to change the bag pretty frequently, but it produces a much nicer, clean yard, which I'm really happy with. Again, installing it, it just simply take the bag, hook it around like that, boom, you're good to go again. This lawnmower is not self-propelled, but it's so easy to push, 21 inches, and the blades come really sharp. Comes with everything that you need with motor oil, and you put a little gas in this, and you're ready to go.
This mower is real easy to assemble. Beyond that, idles for no reason, dies. By far the worst lawnmower I've ever had in my entire life, and I've had several.